Hello everyone, today we're going to unbox this and we'll see what's in this box. So this one is from Amazon, and this is not a sponsored video. I'm just showing where I got this product. So let's check what's in this box. I'm excited because I'm just curious about how it looks like. So this is Nike shoes. This is not a sponsored video, but I love this product. Very popular product. So now we'll open it. Ta-da! Same. Looks the same in the picture. That's good. So this is what I got. I saw this one. It's cute. And it's the same photos. It's the same as it is in real. When you see in the Amazon photos, it looks exactly the same. So it's a good product. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.